Exploring the phrase, crack down. Hey there! Today we'll be delving deep into the phrase, crack down. It's a popular English idiom, and understanding its meaning can help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started. First, let's break down the words individually. The word, crack, usually refers to a split or break in something, and the word, down, is often used to indicate direction. However, idioms in English can sometimes have meanings that are different from the literal interpretation of their individual words. When we say, crack down, as a phrase, we're typically not talking about something physically breaking. Instead, it refers to taking strict measures against something or someone. It often implies that there's a problem or a violation that needs to be addressed. For example, if a school decides to crack down on cheating, it means they are going to implement stricter rules or penalties to prevent students from cheating. To get a better grasp, let's see the phrase in action. 1. The police decided to crack down on speeding in the neighborhood. 2. The company is cracking down on unauthorized use of its software. 3. Parents might crack down on their kids' screen time if they believe they're watching too much TV. In all these examples, crack down is used to indicate an authoritative stance against an undesired activity. Understanding related idioms can further enhance your grasp on the language. Here are some phrases that are similar in tone to crack down. 1. Tighten the screws, to increase pressure or make something more strict. 2. Put one's foot down, to take a firm stance on something. These phrases, just like crack down, express a sense of authority and strictness. And there you have it. The phrase, crack down, is all about taking a strong, authoritative stance against an issue or problem. Remember, idioms often carry meanings that aren't clear from just the individual words, but understanding them can make a huge difference in your fluency. Hope this video has been helpful, and happy learning!